You're welcome to my YouTube channel, and if you have been struggling with this key KYC verification that started on 26th of September 2025, this particular video is for you. And if you want to do your KYC, this particular video is for you likewise. So you need to watch the particular video to the very end, because this problem I'm about to share with everyone, you can also encounter it. And if you're unable to watch the particular video to the end, when you encounter it, you might be unable to be able to solve that particular problem. That's why I need to sit down, watch particular video to the end. If you have subscribed to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe, click on the bell notification so that I get notified to upload another new video like this. And if you want to join my WhatsApp community, the link is there in the description and also the comment section as well as video. So I did a video sometimes ago about my KYC, and I have this particular thing staring at me, which I actually did verification for my email, and you see it was a success. But for me to be able to continue the next step for my face verification, this was the problem that I was having. And you could see after that I still have about three steps. Like the information I shared in the earlier video, the KYC for this particular scheme written by the team actually says that after this phase on, that another verification is still coming, but the time and the moment has not actually been announced. And mind you that if anybody is unable to perform this particular verification, all what you have mined in the key ecosystem after some time will become point. Yes, it will not be migrated. And don't forget lastly that only 5% of what we have actually mined will be given to us, while the remaining 95 will be released in a linear way, and which will also be invested. So let me show you what I actually saw. Let me go back. You could see if I come to my key verification here and I'm able to tap on it, you see it will still bring me back to it without anything. It's telling me to log. Let me quickly log in. So let me go back. So let me tap on this key verification, and you see this is what is just staring at me. And I've been trying to download the app, but one thing I always get about the app is that I always get this particular information telling me that the app is not installed. But after trying everything, I was actually able to install the app. And don't forget that if you are mining this particular key, you can also mine BTC. And before you be able to do that, until you have about 3 referrals and above, then you'll be able to be mining BTC. If you want anything about this particular BTC, watch every other previous video that I've actually created, which will be available in the description of this particular video. And if you want to still join, you are still early to mine your key. The link to register will be available in the description of this particular video. So later on, when I was able to download the app, I saw something different between this particular web version and the app version. Let me quickly show you. This is the app version now. You could see the mining and everything still remain the same. So let me tap on this now. This is where I'm taking you to. On this, then let me tap on this particular key verification. That's why I encourage everybody, try as much as possible to download the app, because what I'm trying to explain, this is where you'll be able to get it. Let me log in first. So I think one of the major reasons why I'm having the issue of logging in, because I'm using the web and the app version at the same time. So they want to know if I'm the one that is actually logging in, if it is not from unauthorized individual. I think so. So let me tap on this particular place. You could see now this is the app version now, quite different from this the previous one, which was the web version. You can see now it's telling me that face ID verification. This is my email. It's telling me to confirm. Let me quickly confirm. It's telling me to enter my password for authentication. So you can see now it asks me for my face verification. Let me quickly do it first. So it has actually captured my face right now. So my face have been captured. Let me tap on this particular next. Okay, you can see now, you see KYC coming soon. So this is what you need to do. So for everybody encountering that particular error, just try as much as possible to download the app. After you have downloaded, everything will be solved. You'll be able to do your face verification, capturing KYC. So if this video was really helpful, please kindly like, share, click on the bell notification. So if you want to join my WhatsApp community, the link is available in the description and also in the comment section as well. Video. Thank you and bye bye for now. God bless you.